Naked crayons. Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, I've got a really interesting thing for us to do today, and it's also going to be fun. Actually, this is the art project I want to do with Jimmy Fallon, just saying. It's crayons, watercolor paper, and a warm griddle. We're going to do encaustic. What is encaustic painting? It's
using wax.
Or resin or things like that. So, all right, so I've got a regular griddle that you would make like pancakes, or we make grilled cheese or cheesy roll-ups for the kids here at school. But I'm going to cover it with foil. So I've got heavy-duty foil, and I'm going to make sure I cover it up really well so that
we can use it for food later.
We can use it for food later, and I keep everybody safe and myself safe. Okay, I'm going to curl it over. I didn't turn it on yet, obviously. Just covering it up. Doesn't have to be perfect or exact. You just want to make sure that no crayon is going to get anywhere near your griddle. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on. If you were doing this with kids, I would keep it really low. I'm going to let this warm up, and then I'm going to get some crayons ready. Ooh, that's so nice and warm. It's so fun. So I have a box of crayons from the Praying Company. Oh, and actually, check this out. Really easy to peel.
Oh, that's nice.
We would normally use Crayola brand crayons because they're the most saturated and they're less waxy. We like those the best. I'm using an open scissors.
Is that safe, Miss Hazel?
Well, this might be a partner project. I'm using open scissors to cut the paper off of the crayon, and then I'm just making all my crayons naked. Naked crayons. You could do this project with kids, but you need to be super, super careful because you're using a warm griddle and the edge gets hot. Now the fun begins. So I'm going to put the watercolor paper on my griddle, and you can feel it. It's pretty warm. I'm actually going to go down. Right now I'm on 250, but I think that might be too hot. I'm going to go down to 200.
Oh, look, it's curling up.
I know, because it's warm. Now you're going to just get the paper's going to get hot, and then you're going to be able to draw. Also, because you can't smell from the other screen, I smell like melted grilled cheese. Oh, look at that. Look at this yellow.
It's really pretty. And those are really nice crayons.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm pressing down the crayon onto the warm paper, and it's leaving this most magnificent, vibrant color.
Can you show us what the crayon looks like right now too?
Yeah.
So you can see
Like
how
that.
much it melted.
Yeah, and it's sort of, oh my goodness. I think that I went with my griddle a little hot. So I would go with like 200. I'm gonna go as low as it goes. I think I went too hot. Now, I will do like a spiral. Can you see the smoke coming off
from
my
the
griddle?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just gliding. Any of our parents that have done this with us before will understand. Like, this is so,
so
what's
fun.
the word? Like, satisfying. It feels really fun.
And then what happens if you mix that orange into the yellow? Like, just go into it. Oh, so fun.
Oh my God, I feel like Miss Kate wants to get her hands over here
I
and
kind of
join
do,
me.
but I've done this many times, and I'm
Okay,
not going
so
to interrupt
here's
you.
Red.
Too much.
It's like it's ice skating on the warm grill. And it's just so interesting.
That's pretty.
And, wow. The Crayola crayons are pretty great, but I'm going to say these crayons are so full of color. Maybe I'll try. I'm doing kind of like a Zen doodle. I'm doing a Zen doodle on my canvas. Oh. This is really, 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 really fun. Oh my gosh. I wonder what the back of it looks like. You can see the, what is it, like the wax or whatever it is? Ooh, maybe I'll put a polka dot on top of my color. Ooh.
Oh, that is really nice. You could just do this all day.
I could completely do this all day. I'll do it a little bit longer because it's kind of really cool. Okay, this one is, oh, there we go. I didn't press down. So at the same time that you're doing it, you want to press down. If you can imagine, I'm hoping you can tell from the camera that what's happening is I'm just pressing down on these crayons and they're melting onto the paper. And it's just, it feels like, maybe like you're drawing with like butter, like it's, you're melting, like if you have a hot pan and you open up a stick of butter to just melt it onto the pan a little bit. That's kind of what's happening. Let's try black, because I feel like that's going to be really a statement across my art. And you can layer them on top of each other. There we go, right across that yellow. Very lovely and fun. Yep, you can see I got a little bit on the foil. And I've got brown. We'll test brown. Is a really brown, rich, lovely color. Do a brown spiral. I would say you need to go slow, but you could try it and see what, if you like doing it. You know, you'll get the idea.
Yeah, this is a fun one just to play with.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to just keep doing this because it's really so fun. But, you know, give it a try and see if it's fun for you. Thanks for joining us today. Do some fun art, hang out with your friends, and come visit us again next time. It was fun hanging out with you. Bye now. Bye, friends.